I had a request to show my color on the new Mustang, and I'm in the '09 right now, and this has both my color and ambient lighting. So first I'll show you my color. Now this is as it appears when you just have the key in the ignition, and when you turn the lights on, this is my color that it was set for, which is an orange. And to adjust that, we can make some simple adjustments, and here we go. That's red and blue. As you can see, it's showing you what these colors are going to look like. Green and back to blue. Now we got purple and white. Now I'm going to make a further adjustment, and we can go beyond that. Let's see if we can do that. And we're going to adjust it to the individual color elements. Now you can see we can set for red, green, and blue, and right now it has a little bit of blue in it. So I'm now adjusting red, so you're going to see what happens there. It becomes gradually more red, green, and keep on changing these, and blue, keep on changing them. So theoretically we can keep on making changes. Let's say I want mostly red here. I'm going to get rid of the green, and the blue I'm going to get rid of. So there's our red again, 5, and the green is 1, and the blue is 1. Okay, I want a little bit more blue in there, so I'm going to do that. And I want some of the, maybe a little bit more green in there, so I can do that. See, they're canceling one another out, because when I take the red out, you can see the green and the blue. Okay, now we're going to go back to the see if we can get out of this. And now we're getting out of it. Now we're just going to go to a simple change from green to blue to purple to white to orange. I'm going to go to red. Okay, we're going to leave it at that. Okay, that takes care of that. Alright, now, and this is pretty neat too, because this can show you your systems here in the car. All pressure okay, charging system okay, driver door closed, passenger door closed, trunk closed, security system okay, brake system okay, fuel cap okay, fuel level okay, and tells you how many miles to empty. Alright, now let's check the ambient lighting here. And here it is. Right now it's set to purple. There elements in the footwell here. You probably can't see very much, but you'll notice when I change the ambient lighting here, it's now like orange, red, blue, yellow, or green, blue, or purple. Alright, it makes a difference. You can see a little bit of the lighting here. It's not totally dark in the car, so some of the effect is not there when it's not totally dark. Okay, so that's how it works. And you have to play with the controls here to get it exactly the way you want. You can fiddle with it to change each of the individual elements, or you can just settle for red, green, blue, orange, whatever. But when you start messing with the individual elements, you can wind up with a lot of potential colors. So you can get it just the way you want if you fiddle with it long enough. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed.